This is the story of Vertli. Vertli is the biggest news network in the Khmer community and is amongst the top contributors of news about the Kuki Chin Mizo community of the northeast India. Vertli's motto is to usher change. Our network reaches over 3,000 followers on Facebook, over 41,000 members on our Facebook group, over 2,000 installs of our Android app, and over 50,000 monthly page views on our websites. And this is our story. The year was 2006. There was a student named Simon. Simon wanted to know when he could appear for his entrance exams, but there was very little information. So he started researching, going over employment news and surfing the internet. He found out more, but many of his classmates and friends were still completely in the dark. So he started an SMS group to alert other students like him about exams, jobs, and other opportunities. He called the SMS group Virtli. Powered by Gupshup, Virtli grew incredibly fast. It delivered daily notifications of competitive exams, alerts about jobs, opportunities, and important national news headlines. In just a span of 10 months, Virtli SMS Group had already amassed over 8,000 phone subscribers. Social networking sites were becoming all the craze even among the Northeast youths. Virtli seized this opportunity. It started curating content for its social followers. Every day, you'd see international and national news, notifications of job vacancies and entrance exams, articles on socio-economic issues of the Northeast people written by prominent persons, and discussions on various issues of the Northeast, especially that of the tribal people. Through its Facebook group, Virtli had grown into an open discussion forum for the Northeast people, especially for the tribals. Everyone began to have an opinion. Everyone began voicing their opinions because they now had a platform. But we soon found that these news items, articles, and discussions on Facebook and other social networking sites had a very limited lifespan. So in 2010, using Google's free blogging platform, Simon started the Virtli website, whose domain name eventually settled on www.virtli.in. The Virtli website's content composed of important national news, Northeast news, issues of the Chinkuki Mizo tribes, and enrichment of the Khmer literature. Virtli's content is written in English and the Khmer language. As years passed, it became increasingly difficult for Simon to handle all the social networking groups and the websites alone, so he sought volunteers to help him. Virtli now has 18 volunteers, engineers, journalists, tech enthusiasts, student leaders, photographers, working in their spare hours to cover news concerning issues of the land and its people through the Virtli News Network. Although Virtli does not generate income from its network, we have received tremendous support from our subscribers. With the donations that come in, Virtli has been able to sponsor the meritorious award of the Khmer Students Association, Shillong in September 2011. This award was given out by Srimati Amparin Lingdaw, the then Honorable Education Minister, Government of Meghalaya. In October 2011, Virtli Football Club was formed. The club was the winner of the Shillong Khmer Youth Association Silver Jubilee Trophy the same year. In December 2012, Virtli launched the first English to Khmer online dictionary. And on December 2014, Virtli was the first official media partner of the Platinum Jubilee celebration of the Khmer Students Association in Manipur, which hosted Chief Minister Ibobi Singh as chief guest. In 2015, Virtli was the official media partner and one of the sponsors of the Khmer Football Club, which had thrice won the Northeast Tamchon Memorial Trophy in New Delhi. In January 2016, Virtli was again media partner of the Khmer Students Association General Assembly in Haflong, Assam. The entire event, which saw the Governor of Assam and Nagaland, Sri P.B. Acharya, as chief guest, was broadcasted live on the internet by Virtli. Every day, hundreds of news items and write-ups on socio-economic issues of the Kuki Chin Mizo community are posted onto the Virtli Facebook group, out of which only a few selected and verified news items and posts are approved for public discussion by our team. These news items and articles, after thorough edits, are posted onto the site and fed to the Android app. Virtly is a website, a news network, an Android app, a football club, a Facebook group, and an open discussion forum. It is now the biggest news network amongst the Mars and among the biggest within the Kuki Chin Mizo community. Thanks to the support of our 19 team members who work tirelessly without pay, and to the 50,000 strong following on our social profiles, we hope to continue to grow and be the ushers of change in our society.